Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I got at Walmart for the week. I was able to get all of these items that you see on this side over here, not including these clothes, completely free, and made over $6 buying it all. So of course I'm going to tell you exactly how I did that. I'm also going to show you some amazing clearance finds that I found in the clothing section. But as always, I will include pictures of everything throughout the store that I found on clearance at the very end of the video. A couple fun announcements. First, I will be announcing the 3 winners of the $100 Amazon gift card. That giveaway was hosted in my Miles app tutorial. So I'll be letting you know who won that. I'll also tell you about an app that I've been using. I might have mentioned it before, but it's been getting even better offers, so I want to share that with you guys. And then a few issues that I experienced this week, unfortunately, during my Walmart haul. Okay, so if you are brand new to the channel, welcome. So glad you're here. I have some super fun videos coming up that I am working furiously on trying to get done while still shopping all of these stores to show you the best deals. If you're brand new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So glad you guys are here. Winners. Let's talk about the winners. I know you want to know. And I do get really excited when someone that has been with me for a while and comments on my videos often. I get really excited when they win because I do use a random comment picker. I don't just pick who my favorite people are. So I try to keep it fair for everyone. Now, the winners of the $100 Amazon gift cards are Think Mirror, Holly Weisbrot, and Doris Stevens. So hopefully I got y'all's names pronounced correctly. What I need you to do, shoot me an email, savingwithchristina@outlook.com. Tell me the email address that you used to sign up for Miles, and I will get that information over to the Miles app, and they will be awarding you that gift card. So congratulations, guys. There will be more giveaways coming up in the future, so stay tuned for those. The app that I wanted to tell you about that I've been using more recently, it's related to Miles, right? It's related to travel. It's called Get Upside, and it offers cash back on your gasoline, but it also offers cash back on restaurants and groceries. So let me just quickly tell you about it. If you don't have Get Upside yet, you can save up to like 45 cents per gallon cash back on your gas. So I believe the baseline is up to 25 cents per gallon. If you use my referral link down below and code SWC20, that first time you can earn up to 45 cents per gallon cash back. So amazing offer for new users. But going forward, you do get cash back per gallon when you're shopping for your gasoline. It also shows you the price per gallon at different stores around you. Now, they also have restaurant deals. And for me, when I open my app right now, I have deals up to 37% cash back at some restaurants around me, which is fantastic. In certain areas, they also have cash back on groceries. That hasn't reached my area yet, but it's definitely something to look into if you're looking to save on gasoline, get some cash back at restaurants, and or look to see if they have cash back on groceries in your area. Again, I will drop my referral link for you down below. Let's talk about the deals. Okay, I noticed in my Ibotta app, I still had this Mountain Dew Zero Sugar freebie. So check and see if you have it in your Ibotta app. It's $1.98 at the store. You get $1.98 back on Ibotta, making it completely free. I didn't do a ton of food deals at Walmart this week, but I did grab these Morningstar Farms chicken patties. They're not chicken, they're veggie based, but these are $4.18. There is a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making these just $2.18. And a friend of mine had made these ones, and I tried it, and I thought it was actually really good. I've just never made it at my house before. Now, this was probably my favorite deal because if y'all remember when Ibotta gave you that free Milton's cauliflower pizza, my store didn't carry it yet. And of course, I found it like right after that rebate was gone. Okay, so I got the Milton's cauliflower crust pizza. This bad boy is $8.98. Now, there is a rebate that will give you $8.98 back, and I'm going to link that for you down in the video description box. I submitted my receipt. I entered my email address and or my phone number, and they sent me the link to submit my receipt, and I got it back immediately. Like, I bought this at I think 10:30 last night, and it was in my Venmo account by this morning. So super easy deal. But guess what? There's an Ibotta offer for $3 back, making it completely free and a $3 moneymaker. So if you are not using Ibotta yet, grab it using my referral code because you're going to get an additional $10 when you scan your first receipt. They also have a new bonus out right now. It's called the Buzzer Bonus. I found it by going into my Ibotta app, clicking on Walmart, and then searching new offers. And then I scrolled until I saw it. I added it to my account, and it said the new bonus would hit within 2 hours. I just haven't looked yet because I immediately started the video for you guys. Other Ibotta deals, the One by Poise. So this was already a great deal, but my store had these on clearance. So these were just $4.80. I believe they're normally $5.47, but $4.80 on clearance. Grab 2 of them. Print 2 of the $2 coupons that I have linked for you in the printable document. So you'll pay $5.60 for both of them. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta, where you're going to get $2 back on each, so $4 back there. And check your Fetch Rewards app because I had an offer for $4 back on 2, so I got $4 back there as well, making them both free and a $2.40 moneymaker. Now, Fetch has some fire deals right now. So if you're not using it, grab it using my referral code because you're going to score an additional $2 when you scan that first receipt. They have like 100% cash back on this soil at Lowe's. Unfortunately, my Lowe's doesn't carry it yet. I'm still hoping my Lowe's gets it before that offer goes away. They also had 100% back on these like Viennetta cakes. Again, they don't have those in my area, but you can check and see if they have them in your area. And then I believe I also had another good one for like 50% back on the Klondike cones and shakes. That could be paired with a $4 off 2 coupon from coupons.com. My store doesn't carry that either. So lots of great deals to be had if your store happens to carry some of these newer products. All right, last Ibotta deal I'll tell you about is on these Always Discreet. Now, your store has to carry the moderate ones. My store actually does have this one. So these are $5.27 each. You want to grab 2 of them. You'll use the $5 coupon from the April Procter & Gamble insert. You'll pay $5.54. Get $5 back on Ibotta. Now with Ibotta, you can scan the product before you buy it and make sure that that product qualifies for the rebate. You don't want to buy a product that's not going to qualify. So just take a second and scan it in Ibotta and you'll know before you even check out if the product you're buying qualifies for the rebate. So after that rebate, it makes them 54 cents total or just 27 cents a piece. Now let's talk about a couple of Shopkick deals. That is another app that I use. So of course I have a referral code that gets you $5 when you scan your first receipt. So if you're not using Shopkick yet, definitely use that referral code. Okay, eggs. I talked about these last week. I'm going to talk about them again this week because as I was scrolling through my coupons trying to see what the best deals were this week, I found an old coupon that was still valid. So these Eggland's Best Eggs, they are $2.70. If you're someone who gets newspaper insert coupons and you keep them, check your January 2nd save insert because there's a 50-cent coupon. It's still a good deal even if you don't have that coupon, just better if you do. So you would pay $2.20, get $1.08 back on Shopkick, making this dozen count eggs just $1.12. Couple more Shopkick offers, and I did these last week and they processed through. I did them again this week and they have not processed yet. They're still pending, but it's on these smaller size Dove products. So I grabbed the Dove body wash in the travel section. It's $1.73. Holy cow, $1.73. But on Shopkick, you get $1.84 back, making it free and an 11-cent moneymaker. That's when you scan it and you purchase it. Now, if you actually use these travel items for travel, at that price, keep the bottle and just refill it with something that you have gotten cheaper. A little frugal tip for you. Okay, the Dove soap, the single soaps. Now, in my store, these are with the regular soaps. It's not in the travel section. These are $1.47. For scanning it and purchasing it, you'll get $1.84 back on Shopkick, making it completely free and a 37-cent moneymaker. Now, let's talk about issues. Brand Club. So someone left me a message, I think it was on Thursday, and they said, hey, have you been having any issues with Brand Club? And I'm like, no, I haven't had any issues. And they're like, you seem to be the only one. And now I know what they're talking about because I actually don't use Brand Club for my shopping except when I'm doing my Walmart and Target shopping, which is earlier in the week. So I had not used the app since like last week, so it was since Tuesday of that week because that's when I did my Walmart shopping. Well, now, in fact, when I did my Walmart shopping for this week, I did experience issues with the Brand Club app, which I told you last week has quickly become one of my favorite apps. Now, what happened was I did my shopping just as regular. I scanned my receipt into my Walmart app. I synced to Brand Club, and I had bought, let's say, 6 products. And these are products that I would have bought anyway. These are products that I have shown you that I've gotten rebates on in the past. I only got credit for one of those things. Thankfully, it was one of the big ones. It was on this Arm & Hammer. I bought the smaller box this time, trying to see if it would work. So instead of that fridge pack, I bought the 67-cent pack. The $5 survey I did credit, so that made this completely free and a $4.33 moneymaker, which is amazing. But more concerning is it didn't find any of the other items that I purchased. And I had like Del Monte, I had Knorr, I had Pepperidge Farm, I believe. I'm trying to think. Oh, Paw Patrol. I had bought those cheese sticks again. Didn't recognize any of them. So I sent them an email and I just said, hey, I'm planning to talk about my Walmart deals in my video, but this didn't work. Are you aware of the problem? But I have not gotten a response back yet. So if I get an update, of course, I will let you guys know. But for me, when I go into the app and I click on, I think it's rewards, and then I try to get to the activity, I can't see anything. Like it just keeps spinning and spinning and spinning like it's loading, but it never goes anywhere. So if that's happening for you, know that you're not alone. That's happening for me as well. My hope is that they are working on this issue. They're aware of it. But just in case they weren't, I went ahead and sent that email. So I'm not showing you any other Brand Club deals today because the app wasn't working correctly. Let's talk about some clearance finds. I said in one of my videos, I think it was Walgreens this week, I can't resist 90% off, and that is just so true. Even if I don't need something, I'm like, okay, who can I give this to? So yesterday when I was in Walmart, I saw all of these clothes marked for $1. Tons of clothes marked for $1. A lot of them were like pajamas and more holiday related, but I bought them planning to donate them to like a women's shelter or a homeless shelter. I'm going to look in to see where I think would be a great place to donate items like this. But let me just show you a few of the items. So this, and I love this because it's crazy soft and it's upside down. All right, this little sweater, PJ top, it is $1, and it was $10.73. So even more than 90% off. These sweet little penguin PJ pants that are crazy soft. Also $1. Now, the St. Patrick's Day leggings, these were, if you can see, 25 cents, 25 cents. These more holiday style pajama pants, just $1. And y'all look how cute this one is. This was originally $11.84. It's a PJ like top and pants set, $1. Like they were selling them for $1. Now, One Walmart near me had all of those things at $1. I went to another Walmart near me and they were priced a little bit higher, definitely on clearance, but they were priced a little bit higher, like $3, $4, $7. So I don't know what your store will have them priced at, but it's definitely something worth checking if those are items you need or you like to be able to donate to places that might be able to use those items. If y'all have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them down below. Hope you guys are having a great week. Thanks.